everyone, hope you all doing great. So today I'm here with my new video. In this video I'm showing how to draw Rajasthani dress and how to give the mirror look and how to use the empty pen in your illustration. So before we get start, please keep subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and please like this video, share this video as much as you can and watch it till the end. So let's get started. Starting giving the design of the lace in the bottom, and I'm gonna erase it out after it's done and use the empty pen instead of it. Before that you have to keep a book inside your paper so that the marking won't go on your another paper which is below this one. So using the empty pen, give the maximum pressure as you can in this so that you get the fine detail of the embroidery. Use the empty pen, make sure it doesn't have any ink in it which can ruin your illustration. And now use the pencil color on it, and you can see the magic how the design is going to appear on it, and it looks really good and fine. It gives the really fine detailing of the design as you can see in this one. The maximum pressure you put on the paper, it will give the good result, and you have to give the shadow effect between the folds, giving the darker stroke. And this is the embroidery design I have already done. Now I'm just gonna give the coloring, and in this I'm drawing the triangle shape of the mirror using the pencil to give the fine embroidery detailing around this. And this is also I'm using the fine sharpened pencil for giving the thread work. Use the fine pencil and put the maximum pressure on it so that you will get the fine look of it. You can use the pen as well to give the fine look of it. If you don't have a pen, use the pencil, but sharpen it very well so that it won't blur it out. It will give you the fining detail of the thread, how it looks. And for the mirror you have to give the shadow with the black pen inside of it, and it will look exactly. And now again I'm giving the embroidery look in that area, and I'm gonna put the orange color in it. And you have to make sure when you are drawing a flower or a design, a pattern, when the fold, wherever the fold is, the pattern gets half, like it won't show a full flower, so it's not, so you have to make it a half, so it will show like the half pattern is gone inside in the shadow. So that's how you can show the fold look. And wherever the fold is going to be, you have to give the dark stroke of your pencil. See here, you can see how I given the darker color in the on the folds. And I'm also gonna use the brown color pencil for giving the extra darker looks. And now I'm using the white pen for the different kind of thread work which I have done in as the outline of that part. And I'm gonna color this ghagra with the orange pencil, and here I'm just gonna use only the pencil color, and I'm gonna blend it later with the water. You have to give the darker stroke on the folds and the lightest fold on the where you want to show the highlight part. and for that try to give the one particular kind of strokes, don't like straight in one single way. And for the dupatta I am also giving the lightest stroke of the pencil so that it will look like a little transparency. And this method I just tried, I didn't knew that it's gonna work, but it did work for me. And now I'm using the water, plain water, so that I can blend it very well. You guys can see where I wanna show the dupatta, I didn't put the darker stroke of the pencil because if the skirt is there and the dupatta is gonna go on that fabric, so I just tried to giving the lightest stroke, and the on other side I have given the darkest stroke, but I guess it is too light, so I'm gonna darken it later. Now you can see how I blending the color. On where the fold is gonna be, and now you can see guys, I'm giving another layer of this pencil stroke because that was too light, so I'm giving this that kind of strokes again, and I'm leaving the middle part lighted because I want to show the highlight area over there. As you guys can see, the bottom part I have using the brown color pencil for giving the extra dark shadow, and you can see for the dupatta I'm giving the very light stroke of it so that it looks that it gives the little transparency, because of the cotton dupatta is kind of a transparent, it looks really good. That's how the whole look is gonna be. And you guys can see I'm just using water so that I can use the uplifting method. This is called uplifting method. Use the water, plain water in the middle, and when you just for blending leave the color in the corners, it will look really nice, gives the highlighted part of it. And now I'm putting again using the pencil for giving the darker stroke. It was too light, so I'm giving the another stroke so that it looks more vibrant, and I'm gonna blend this very well. Use the plain water for blending, don't use the colored water which you have been using to clean your brushes. And you guys can see for giving the effect that dupatta is over the skirt, I've just applied that color over it. I didn't did anything, and even in that area you just have to use the water and give the little strokes of the color so that it will look nice. And where the color has spread, you can just blend it well with the pen, with the water, and giving the another stroke of the color. And you can just see the process how I'm doing. And yeah, this is also a technique so that the middle part gets dry, and it just look the border is darker and the rest is highlighted. And this is the another border I'm giving for the dupatta here with same using empty pen. And now I'm putting the darker and the folds in the corner using the brown color pencil. You just have to use the brown darker on the corners of the fold, not the entire part, so it will look good. The middle part will look highlighted. It will give the nice look of fold of the fabric, a good texture. You have just to use on the corner side, not fully. And now you can see that I'm blending with the water, with a little bit of water, not too much, and I'm using the Faber-Castell pencil, orange and dark brown, for giving the more texture and depth to the illustration. Using the Faber-Castell pencil for giving any fine detail and a shadow, it's really good. As you can see, the outlook of the fabric has got really good since I've used this pencil. And for blending that pencil, just I'm using this earbud so that it gives you the soft look, and wherever the part has gone really light, I'm using this orange. And now I'm gonna use the white pencil for giving more highlighted look, and to again blend it using the earbud. So you guys can see how the entire look has been created. Now I'm just putting little detailings on the dupatta with the highlight with using white pencil, brown pencil. And hope you guys like this video, enjoy this video. So the second part will be uploaded soon, in which I'm gonna show how I'm drawing the upper part of this dress. So till then, see you later and keep watching Deena's Creation.